You want to know another thing not to do when you're involved in a car accident? Never, ever, ever admit that it's your fault. Hi, I'm Attorney Nick Feizy, and I'm here in beautiful Park City, Utah, giving you some legal advice, personal injury. I practice law in Dallas, Texas, and I've represented thousands and thousands of clients since the year 2000. You wouldn't believe what people do at scene of an accident. I had a client just recently. She was hit by an 18-wheeler. It wasn't, anything catastrophic, but it was a pretty good damage. 18-wheeler ran into her car, and her English wasn't good. She was Spanish speaking, and the 18-wheeler driver had this pre-printed form that he had my client sign it. Told her that it says that it is his fault, the truck driver, and that he's accepting liability. And it was the complete opposite. It said exoneration of claim on top, and I don't know why and how he got my client to fill it out, but she sure did, just trying to be an honest person. And it said that my client is hereby releasing him and his company, 18-wheeler company, of any negligence regarding this accident. This is rare. It doesn't happen often, but it happens. And so that was one example of why you should never sign anything or accept responsibility. Even though my client claimed she wasn't accepting responsibility, she still signed a document which will hurt her in the future. I've had another client where they thought it was their fault at the scene of the accident, and even though later on we found out it wasn't, after we received the police report, the police did the investigation, they had a misunderstanding that they didn't realize the other party failed to yield right of way, and so they were just trying to be nice again and said that, oh yeah, it's our fault. But then we cleared that up when we got the police report in. So bottom line, we have to go back and clean up the mess. So just don't make any admissions whatsoever.